Sarah from Paid Online Writing Jobs here. I'm so glad you found this page. Are you looking for a job that you can do online? I don't mean some get-rich-quick scheme that promises you millions of dollars for 5 minutes a day of work. Because, let's face it, we both know those never actually work. The kind of job I'm talking about is the kind of online job where you can log in from home or wherever you want, put in an honest shift of work, and get paid $20 to $50 per hour for your time. No funny business. If you are looking for a real online job that you can start getting paid for today, then make sure you stick around for the next 5 minutes. Because the very fact that one of our partners has sent you to this page means that we very likely have an online job that you are fit for, that you can start right away, and that you can do on your laptop or phone from anywhere in the world. Let me explain why. Did you know that over 100 million people worldwide now work remotely from home? The laptop lifestyle, where you can work from bed, from your couch, or the beach, is a real thing. Remote workers save businesses money, increase productivity, and improve employee satisfaction and retention. It's a win-win for everyone, so it's no wonder that remote working is growing in popularity year after year. Here at Paid Online Writing Jobs, we completely believe in the remote work revolution. Our entire team works from home from all over the world. For the last 5 years, we have made it our mission to help ordinary people who don't have prior experience working online to find high-paying and flexible remote work online. We also believe that for the vast majority of people, the best, fastest, easiest, and most profitable online remote job to get started with is an online writing job. So that is what we specialize in. We help ordinary people with no writing experience who have never worked online before and have no technical skills to get their first high-paying online writing job. You might be wondering, how can someone with no writing experience get paid $20 to $50 an hour to do writing jobs online? It's a great question, and I'll let you in on the secret. You see, just about every business in the world right now needs to have a presence online. They need a website, a blog, social media pages, email lists, live chat on their website and Facebook page, and so much more. This creates a ton of writing work that needs to be done every day for millions of businesses all around the world. Think about it. Someone needs to write those social media posts, reply to the comments, write blog posts and emails, talk to the customers on live chat, and moderate the Facebook groups. It's a lot. Some businesses try to do it all themselves, but most end up outsourcing this work to remote workers online. And the fact is that these businesses don't need an award-winning New York Times journalist for these online writing jobs. You don't need to be an expensive professional writer to reply to comments on Facebook or write a simple email. These businesses want a real person who is just like their customers to write Facebook posts, reply to comments, write emails, and live chat with their customers. They don't want a professional writer. They want a real person. In short, they want to hire someone like you. We have a database packed full of remote writing jobs that pay $20 to $50 per hour that are looking to hire people just like you. If you qualify, you don't need any prior experience because we train you in everything that you need to know. We also know that most people get stuck before they even get started. They don't know what online jobs they qualify for, and they don't know where to find them or how to apply. The whole process of getting started working online can seem quite daunting. That's why we built our Instant Apply online writing job application process that does all of this work for you. You just take 1 to 2 minutes to enter a few key details about yourself, and then our system runs your profile through our database of thousands of remote online writing jobs to instantly match you with the jobs that you were a fit for. These are all remote online writing jobs that you can do from anywhere in the world that pay between $20 to $50 per hour, with 5 to 30 hours of work available each week per job. So if you are matched with a $30 per hour online writing job that has 25 hours of available work each week, you could bank an extra $750 a week, working from wherever you feel like. The application process only takes 1 to 2 minutes, and then you'll be instantly matched with high-paying writing jobs in our database. If you have been looking for a real online job that you can start right away, this is for you. Fill in the short application form below, and our system will run your information against the thousands of jobs in our database. And on the very next page, you will be able to see all of the online writing jobs that you've matched with, and you can choose one and start work right away. Your first payment could be in your bank account by this time tomorrow. What are you waiting for? Fill in the form below, and I'll see you on the other side.